Here's how to fix Steam not working at all on your PC. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator ensures Steam can access required system files and services. Step 2. Repair Steam service. If Steam still does not open or work, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing Steam service fixes broken components that can cause Steam to stop working entirely. Step 3. Reinstall Steam without losing your games. Close Steam completely. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder, usually located in Program Files. Inside the Steam folder, delete everything except the Steam Apps folder and Steam.exe. This keeps all installed games safe. Next, download the latest Steam installer from the official Steam website. Run the installer and install Steam in the same folder location. Once installation finishes, open Steam and sign in. Steam will automatically detect your existing games without re-downloading them. Reinstalling Steam replaces all damaged core files while preserving your game library. After completing these steps, Steam should start working normally on your PC. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.